Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the coolest ways to supercharge your Delaverse workflows, the Telegram node. Imagine getting instant AI-powered updates, alerts, and reports delivered right to your Telegram chats, groups, or channels. Whether you're coordinating a team, sharing customer support responses, or automating content posts, this feature makes real-time communication a breeze and keeps everyone in the loop effortlessly. What makes the Telegram node awesome? This handy node lets you connect your AI agents directly to Telegram bots, turning your workflows into live messengers. It's perfect for businesses wanting quick notifications, creators automating social updates, or anyone who loves seamless integration. You'll save time, stay connected, and make your Delaverse experience even more dynamic. No more manual messaging. How to get started and access it. Jumping in is super simple. Head over to your Delaverse Playground dashboard. From there, browse the node menu on the side, search for Telegram node, and drag it onto your canvas like adding a puzzle piece. Give it a fun name, like Team Alert Bot or News Publisher, and hit Save to lock it in. You're already on your way. Breaking down the key features. Once your node is on the canvas, let's explore what makes it tick. Bot connection magic. First things first, create your own Telegram bot using the handy @botfather in Telegram. Just chat with it and follow the prompts to name your bot. Grab the unique token it gives you, paste it into the node, and test the connection. Boom, your bot is linked and ready to roll. Message delivery options. Set up how your bot sends out those AI-generated goodies. Choose to deliver to individual users, lively group chats, or even broadcast to channels for wider reach. It's all about keeping the conversation flowing naturally. Smart controls. Dial in settings like welcome messages for new users or limits on how many messages per minute to keep things smooth and spam-free. Think of it as giving your bot good manners. Keeping tabs on your communications. While the Telegram node focuses more on delivery than deep stats, you can track the impact through your overall workflow performance in Delaverse. See how many messages go out, who receives them, and if they're sparking interactions, all visible in your Playground's run history. This helps you refine your setups and ensure everything's hitting the mark. Unlocking the benefits. The real win? Efficiency and engagement. Automate task updates to save hours, delight your team with instant alerts, or grow your audience by posting AI-crafted content to channels. It's like having a 24/7 assistant that boosts productivity and builds stronger connections without extra effort. Plus, as your workflows evolve, you'll unlock more creative ways to interact and collaborate. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? For channels, add your bot as an admin first. Then use a tool like @GetItsBot in Telegram to snag the exact channel ID. It looks like -100 followed by numbers. Plug that in and you're set to publish away. Remember to test with a simple "Hello from Delaverse" message before going full AI throttle. For scheduled broadcasts, pair it with a trigger node and your favorite AI assistant. Perfect for daily digests or event alerts. And always keep that bot token under wraps for security. Why you'll love it and next steps. With the Telegram node, you're not just building workflows, you're creating living, breathing connections that make Delaverse feel alive. Gain clarity on your communications. Empower your team or audience and watch your ideas spread instantly. Dive in today, experiment with a simple bot, and see how it transforms your daily grind into something exciting. Let's connect and create together in Delaverse.